Okay, so my name is Alan Rivas, and today we're going to do a little role play. Okay, I need 2 volunteers. Stand right there. Okay, so introduce yourselves.
Hi, my name is Holly.
Okay, now congratulations, you're married. Now shake hands. Now you have a child. Okay, now where are you from?
Dominican Republic.
Okay. So now your visa is expiring. Alright, so now by law, since you're a man and you're a woman, now you can go through the process of legalizing yourself here. Your husband can do that for you. So now there's no problem. After a few months or a year, you'll be fine. But let's switch roles now. Now you're a man and your visa has expired, same situation, you have a child. Now, I'm Doma, and according to me, your marriage is not valid for that, for legalizing yourself to be here. So now you have to go. So for now, that's how it works. Okay, so So I've been an advocate of gay rights ever since I worked at the New York State Assembly. It came naturally to me to do further research on DOMA and its effects on gay immigrants. Today I'm going to discuss how DOMA came to be and why the role of DOMA on gay immigrants came to be and why the role of DOMA on gay immigrants and the future of DOMA. Okay, so how DOMA came to be. In 1996, Congress adopted the Federal Defense of Marriage Act. DOMA was signed by President Clinton on September 21st of 1996. It was born because of what www.domawatch.org, a website that advocates DOMA, and what other conservatives call, quote, a decades-long assault on marriage, end quote. It started in response to a Hawaii court decision that fought for making same-sex marriage legal in the Hawaii Constitution. The fear was that Hawaii's decision would have on other states, federal laws, and the institution of marriage, quote, traditional notions of morality and state sovereignty. This was feared by the conservatives. Now I'm going to talk about the effects of DOMA on gay immigrants. According to the Immigration Policy Center, there are approximately 36,000 same-sex binational couples living in the United States. Webster's Dictionary online defines binational as relating to 2 nations, meaning a person might be originally from Italy, but is now living in the United States, that they are a part of 2 nations now. Because this law is federal, the immigration agencies apply DOMA's definition of marriage, 1 man, 1 woman. This is also taken from the Immigration Policy Center. This means that gay and lesbian couples who are lawfully married are not considered married for immigration purposes. As a result, gay and lesbian U.S. citizens and permanent residents cannot successfully petition for their spouses. Same-sex spouses cannot accompany their American spouse who receives a family or employment-based visa. Lesbian and gay non-citizens cannot obtain a waiver or relief from removal based on their marriage, leaving them open for deportation. In August of this year, there was an article in the Washington Post Anthony John Mack was faced with deportation, and even though he has been married to his spouse for 7 years, So if deported, Mark will be leaving his ailing life partner, Bradford Wells, who is currently battling AIDS. The Washington Post quoted a judge's decision stating the claimed relationship between the petitioner and beneficiary is not a petitionable relationship. End quote. Mr. Wells' sole caretaker was in danger of being deported that month. Okay, so now the future of DOMA. There are efforts underway to challenge DOMA. Senator Feinstein and Representative Nadler have introduced the Respect for Marriage Act in the Senate and House. If enacted, would repeal DOMA. In February 2011, Attorney General Eric Holder announced that the Obama administration had determined that Section 3 of DOMA was unconstitutional and would no longer defend it if in federal court challenges. President Obama said that although the law would not be enforced in courts, it would still be applied until it overturned by Congress or the judicial system. So to sum everything up, we've gone over how DOMA came to be, how it affects gay immigrants, and we've also discussed what might come of DOMA in the years to come. Thank you.
Great.